updating your email address on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your DoorDash account. If you're already logged in, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Step 4. Select email address. Look for the option labeled email or email address. Click or tap on it to edit your current email address. Step 5. Enter new email address. Type in your new email address and confirm it if prompted. Save the changes to update your account information. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from DoorDash. Keeping your email updated helps ensure you receive important notifications and updates.